Hello everyone, and welcome to How to Concealing and Bronzing on Fair Skin. So we're starting off with our beautiful model, Christine. She already has foundation on, and we're going in with concealing under the eye. We're using SS Beauty, our brand cosmetics, liquid concealer in shade Light. Now, this is a thicker concealer, so we're putting on the back of our hand and using a brush to buff it out. When warmed up on the hand, it creates the perfect consistency. I'm using a Real Techniques brush. It is technically an eyeshadow brush in their eyeshadow brush collection, but I have found is the perfect brush to apply concealer. Now, as you can see, I'm putting it in the under eye area. I stopped with the foundation just above the cheekbone so these could melt together. I don't like too heavy of product. As you can see, I'm patting and sweeping the product around in the same motion with the Real Techniques brush. So I'm moving out where it needs to cover redness and where I want to brighten. I also put it on the eyelid to make an even base for eyeshadow, cancel out redness. Even if she just wanted to powder after this, at least she has a nice base to it. Going in, and you'll see in just a minute, I'm using a sponge. You can use a beauty blender, you can use a disposable sponge such as this, or even your finger to kind of just push that product in just a bit more. I'm having Christine look up and I'm pushing and moving that product under the eye as close to the lash line as possible. This is because we are usually pretty red or have discolorations closest to the eye. Going back in on the other side and doing the same thing and blending that out. Once again, you can still kind of see me going in, pushing the product around and patting at the same time. So now I'm going in with whatever little product is still left on the brush in the back of my hand, and I'm kind of just going around and seeing what needs to be spot concealed. She's still a little bit red around her nose, and I'm gonna brighten up around her mouth as well so that the lip color we put on later just pops. I kind of like to go in with the last minute of product and just see what needs a little touch up, what needs a little bit of brightening. She's got beautiful lips, so I wanted to accentuate that. Now moving on to bronzing. So this is our Tinted Mineral Sheer Glow and Fair Glow. This is a mineral tinted moisturizer in a glowy dewy finish, and so it can be used as a bronzer, as an all-over color. Now I like this one as a bronzer on fair skin because it's not really orangey, it's not brown, it's just enough to give her some color and some definition, as you can tell in this video. She really doesn't need too much sculpting, just enough to give definition to the face. I put it on with the Duo Fiber brush. You can find this at MAC or any other retailer. It kind of just helps sweep the product around. And then I love my little disposable latex sponge, and I like to pat everything in. Some people like to call it marrying. I like to make it blend, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I would love if you subscribed and liked this video.